Hi there! Welcome to today's English lesson. This is Word Stories, where we turn simple stories into unforgettable vocabulary. Learn 5 new words in every episode and make them stick.
It was a sunny Saturday morning. Ava and her little brother Ben were playing in Grandma's garden. The grass was wet, the air was fresh, and everything smelled like spring. Suddenly, a red balloon flew over the fence. Ben pointed and shouted, "Let's get it!" And they began to chase it. The balloon danced over the flowers and floated past the trees. They ran, fast and laughing. Ava stopped behind a bush. "Shh," she said. "Let's hide and wait for it to come back." Ben giggled and crouched beside her. They waited and waited. Then a small bird flew near the balloon and popped it. The children gasped. Ben's eyes went wide. Then Ava started to laugh. Big, happy laughs. Ben laughed too, but there was one more surprise. From the same spot where the balloon popped, a butterfly landed on Ben's nose. He froze. Then he jumped back and giggled again. Grandma clapped from the porch. "You two," she said. "You don't need toys. You've got each other."
Now that we've heard the story, let's take a closer look at the words we learned today. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Chase. To chase means to run after someone or something. You might chase a dog, a friend, or even a butterfly. Chasing is fast, fun, and full of energy. Example sentence: They ran through the park as the boy chased the red balloon. Laugh. To laugh means to make a happy sound when something is funny. Your face smiles, your eyes shine, and your heart feels light. Laughing brings people closer together. Example sentence: She laughed loudly when the puppy rolled over. Hide. To hide means to go where others can't see you. We hide when we play, when we're scared, or when we want to surprise someone. Hiding is quiet, but exciting. Example sentence: He hid behind the tree and waited for his sister to find him. Surprise. A surprise is something that you don't expect. It can be a gift, a visitor, or a special moment. Some surprises make you smile. Others make your eyes grow wide. Example sentence: There was a birthday surprise waiting under the table. Jump. To jump means to push yourself into the air with your feet. Kids jump when they're excited, scared, or just playing. Jumping feels free and fun. Example sentence: He jumped over the puddle with a big splash.
Great job! Now you know 5 new English words. Can you make your own sentences using these words? Write them in the comments. I'll be reading them. That's it for today's word stories. Now you know 5 new words and how to use them. Practice them, repeat them, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell. And hey, don't forget to come back for the next story.